Hey there! So imagine you're on your computer trying to get some work done, and suddenly you encounter a pesky problem. Yep, a problem. You've accidentally deleted all your environment variables and system variables, and now you're stuck wondering what to do next. Your system seems to be all mixed up, and you're not sure how to fix it. Sounds like a headache, right? Now, lo and behold, here comes the solution to your system troubles. The key to fixing this mess lies in running a few commands in command prompt as an administrator. All you need to do is copy and paste the code snippet provided below. This magic incantation will set the essential environment variables back to their correct values, restoring order to your system and banishing that error message for good. It's like waving a digital wand and making all the tech gremlins disappear. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch the magic unfold. To wrap it all up, we've learned how to tackle a common yet frustrating problem that many users encounter. By following a few simple steps in command prompt, you can easily restore your system to its former glory. Remember, technology may throw curveballs at us, but with a bit of know-how and perseverance, we can overcome any obstacle. So, go forth, conquer those tech challenges, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy troubleshooting!